Hello and welcome to this channel about cryptocurrency education. Today I'd like to show you how you can get free AVA coins by locking them away on the Travala.com website. Now, yes, you need to hold some AVA coins to get free AVA coins. It's basically a reward system, but what you can do, it is basically like staking, where you hold some AVA, then you stake them. You get really good rewards. It is quite a high interest rate, and I believe in the concept, I believe in the use case. And we can assume, at least I do, that the price of the AVA coin has a lot of potential, honestly. And I'll go through that as well. By all means, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy who holds some AVA coins and gets some rewards. Now, we will go through quickly what AVA and Travala is, why I think it has a lot of potential. Then I'm going to show you how you can actually do this step by step. Now, let's have a quick look. AVA is the cryptocurrency of Travala.com. It is ranked 192 on CoinMarketCap. The current market cap is 111,223,000. And the current price, is 227 per coin. We can see that the all-time high was reached at some point in April. And I don't want to go really in too much detail here. Let's have a look on the Travala website. This is Travala.com. It is a booking platform very similar to booking.com or Expedia, but because we are in the cryptocurrency space, things are a bit special here. And before you switch off, it is really interesting. So basically, first thing is you can pay all your booking with cryptocurrencies. All cryptocurrencies, they have a partnership with Binance, which already tells you this is big. They have a lot of partnerships. They have also partnered with Binance's travel booking system, because you might not know, but Binance, they have their own holiday booking system. And what you can do here is, they have the AVA coins. What they have as well, so you can pay everything here with any cryptocurrency that is, I think, that you can find on Binance. You can get AVA tokens, and you can see it here. You can do a lot with these AVA tokens. So what can you do? The most interesting thing, and that's why you are here, is go get the smart bonus. So before we start, actually just two things why I think the AVA coin will go through the roof. The first thing is, I think it is, to my knowledge, one of the biggest cryptocurrency booking platforms anyway. It has a real use case, and they have so many partners. It's unbelievable. You can go through the partner page. They have so many partners. It is really mind-blowing. And the other thing is that we're currently, people are getting vaccinated and everything. But as soon as we get out of all of this where we are in at the moment, people will start to travel again. And this is when the travel segment will go through the roof. And then having a very innovative platform like Travala, and as far as I know, they've also partnered with booking.com and Expedia, then, and having an innovative platform like this, with a use case like this, and where cryptocurrency adoption gets more and more into mass adoption, having such a website with a coin like AVA, which already has gained in value like crazy, and we are not even at the end of the current bull cycle, and just imagine 5 years from now, it's unbelievable. I think it's a really good investment from my point of view, and I am invested, so just full disclosure here. And also you need to do your own research in the end. But I'm just going to show you what you can do. You can enter with your AVA coins. If you buy them, you can buy them on Binance. What you can then do, then you have to transfer them here onto this website, and I'm going to show you how. But if you do this, you can enter the smart program. And with the smart program, you can get some discounts for travel, whatever. You can get a loyalty discount as well, where you basically get AVA coins. This is basically free AVA coins as soon as you have completed your travel or holiday. So that is after you've made a booking. Smart discounts are before you make a booking and when you pay for it. Smart loyalty is as soon as you finish your holiday, and then you get a 5% loyalty reward, up to 5%. But what you are here for is the bonus reward. So what you can do, you can stake your AVA coins on the website. I don't think there is currently a way where you can do it, let's say, from a hardware wallet or another wallet. I think at the moment you have to do it from the website, which is fine. You wouldn't probably stake like thousands or 10,000s of AVA coins, but having something like 500 on there maybe, or 250, that I guess isn't too much risk, but it is a nice reward of 8.8% you can get here. 8% per year of locked for your locked AVA coins. Now the minimum that you need to stake is 250 AVA. So that would currently be something like around $500, a bit less than $500. That's what you would need to invest, but then you would get 8% of AVA coins. Now the beauty of this is that you can, as I said, at least I assume that the AVA coins will go up in value, right? So you get 8%, which is really good. It's hard to find somewhere where you get the 8%, anyway. I know there are places, obviously, you can also get more, but 8% I think is decent. It's a decent reward. And plus you have all the benefits if you want to make a booking or whatever. That's separate, obviously, but you can do that. So how do you do that? First of all, you have to create an account. At the time I do this, the emails don't work, the confirmation emails don't work, but I know they worked yesterday. So, because I just tried to set up a test account, but it doesn't work. Then I chatted with them and they said their confirmation emails don't work, which is a bit of a shame. So I'll just log in at the moment. But yeah, you need to sign up for now. So I can't show you how you sign up, but it's very easy. You just basically put your name in, your email address, and that's it. Okay, and when you're logged in, you go to My Smart here on the left hand side. You scroll down, and here you can see again what the different smart levels are. So depending on how many AVA you are sort of staking here or holding on the website, you get different rewards. So the highest one is where you get up to 5% discount from the bookings and a 5% loyalty reward. But the bonus payment of interest is always the same in terms of percentage. So it doesn't matter if you stake 250 AVA or 2,500, you always get the 8%. Now what you have to do is then you have to activate that. And that's what you get. So what you have to do, you basically agree that you keep this smart membership open for at least 30 days, right? But first of all, you would have to buy AVA tokens. Where can you do that? You can do that on Binance. I don't show you how you can do it on Binance, but what you essentially need to do is have some BNB Binance coins, which you can then swap or trade against AVA coins on Binance. From Binance, then it's very straightforward to transfer them onto the Travala website. Unfortunately, because I couldn't set up a test account, I couldn't show you how you do it, but I can't show you that now. But what you can, I just did it with my account here that I set up yesterday. So what you have to do, you click on activate, you click on continue. What you then see here is, just assuming we are smart level 5, so you have to activate every smart level separately if you want to. I have now activated smart level 1. Just assuming you want to activate smart level 5, then you get the AVA deposit address and the AVA deposit memo. You need both of them on Binance to transfer your AVA coins onto Travala. So as soon as you have purchased your AVA coins on Binance, you can go to Binance, you can transfer them with the deposit address here and the deposit memo. So this will come up on Binance as soon as you start to transfer or set up a transfer. Binance will ask you for the deposit address and the deposit memo. So as soon as you've done that, they will transfer it over. There's a small transaction fee, and then it will turn up here. At the top here, you can see what you've actually holding in your wallet here. And if you scroll down here again, as I said, I have activated smart level 1. I haven't actually activated it yet because what they are waiting for now is that I confirm my email address, and after that this is activated. Currently I hold the AVA coins here on the account, but because their confirmation emails today don't work, I know they worked yesterday, but today they don't work. I couldn't confirm that yet, but as soon as that's confirmed, I will start to earn interest. So I think the crucial bit, or let's say the sort of difficult bit, is first of all to understand what you need to do, which is to buy the AVA coins on Binance. Then you transfer them over here onto the Travala website with these 2 addresses they give you, which is pretty straightforward to do in Binance. And what you then do here on the website, you just have to then activate it and then you have to confirm that email, which unfortunately I can't show you now. But what then happens is basically you earn 8% for your AVA coins, which is basically free AVA coins. The thing is, it is basically free AVA. Yeah, it is free AVA coins. If you invest in cryptos anyway, and you believe AVA has or Travala has a good use case, I do it. I have invested because I like to diversify my portfolio anyway, and I think this is a real, genuine use case that people will actually use. Very innovative, a lot of partners, and I think currently it is the only reason why they are so far sort of at the end at rank, what was it, 192 on CoinMarketCap, is because we are currently in a pandemic. That's it. I think that's the only reason. I think as soon as people start to travel more, and that could be maybe it's next year, this will go through the roof. But the AVA coin, I'm pretty sure, will go to the moon already in this current bull cycle, which I think will end sort of December this year. And until then, we will see some profitable rewards, but also just thinking about the next 5 years, which is what I always, do anyway. I like to hold it for the long term. So just assume what could happen in the next 5 years. I think this will just go through the roof. There have been talks and price predictions 100x from now, but who knows? Who knows? I don't think 100x, but definitely, from my point of view, this is a very good investment. But please do your own research. So that's everything for today. I hope that was helpful. It allows you to get some free AVA coins, and this is how you stake AVA. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope you support the channel by subscribing if you found any value in that. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.